Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to do a Molle panel install. This one's from Bullet Proof Fabrication. There's not a particular reason why I went with this brand. It was on Black Friday, so I went ahead and picked it up. I think they're all pretty much very similar in strength as long as you get it from a reputable brand. Now I love these Molle panels because it's great for organizing all your things. It's also great to access any emergency items if you have a flat, or like me, I use this for some paper towels, some toilet paper, an umbrella, my shovel. I'll show you guys the setup once I have everything installed. I took these off, so I thought I'd just make a quick video on how I put them on. I currently ran, I just recently ran a dash cam wire to the back, so I had to access the headliner. I already took off the hanger hook on top of there, and this is the other second mounting position, and also the third mounting slot there. So for this install, what you're gonna need is a 10mm, some Allen keys, and your panel. Remove everything, make sure everything's clear, and it's pretty much ready to get bolted on. Now, what I like to do first is to mount the top part. Now I'm not gonna screw it on very tight. I'm just gonna make sure it's threaded. Once I have all three corners, oops. See that? You don't want that to happen. So there's a longer screw with a spacer and a shorter screw with a spacer. The longer screw is going to go up top right there, and the shorter one's going to go by the trunk door.
Make sure you have the slider of the spacer in between, and then you'll clamp. You put the long spacer in between that. I usually hand tighten these. It's getting a little tough, so I'm going to use the Allen key. Now I'm going to do the side closest to the front door. Again, these are nice, you don't have to do any modifications. They just bolt right into your factory screw holes.
And I don't tighten everything completely until I have everything aligned. Okay, now that everything's tight, there's no more rattling. Now same thing on this side. I should actually be removing everything to make my job easier. Now that I have both sides installed, go ahead and check out the Molle panels. These are 2 emergency kits that I keep on here. I like the T4R etching that's on here. Here's the other side. Toilet paper, paper towel, umbrella, shovel, axe. There's also a bottle opener here.